cloud seeding, that is a little bit unusual for a person like me, because I spent most of my career trying to avoid clouds for the comfort of the passengers, whereas now I fly not inside of the cloud, but just at the edge of it, and it can be quite turbulent.
We have done recently a study about the enhancement of rainfall, and it has turned out that the cloud seeding actually in the UAE increases the rainfall of about 23% on an average. On best situation, it can reach up to 35% of enhancing of rainfall.
Okay, so they all look full. Today I was a rainmaker. Yes, I can proudly say so.
So that's it. That means it's not like to be a mispattern. If it's 43.
43 dispatched and 2 found.